Hello everyone, and today we're gonna make some smash burgers. So we start with the beef. I'll buy 15% of fat contents ground beef, and that fat will bring you a flavor in your burgers. So I make little balls, something like a meatball size, pepper salt on top, and then my burger buns, I put a lot of butter on them. So when I put them on my griddle and they toast really well, they're gonna develop nice thick crust on it. That's gonna be essential later. And onion, red onion, very important. A lot of pepper, a lot of salt. Put them on the griddle. Keep them on the griddle for a while. Make sure that they burn a little bit so they get that smoky flavor, that sweetness of onion, and that's gonna add up a lot of flavor to your burger. So now it's the time when you do some smashing. So smash your burgers nice and thin. Put some pepper and salt on top of that. Turn them over after a while, and then place cheese on top of that. Make sure the cheese melts, and they're ready to go to your burger. And let's do some assembly. So now we're just gonna assemble our burger. That's the easy part. Just some ketchup and mustard on the bun. Some salad or lettuce or whatever you like to use, tomato, your onion goes on the bottom, you put your burger in, slap them together, and you're ready to go. And they do have a lot of flavor in there. I love those burgers, and hopefully you like what I do. If you do, please give me a sub and like. That definitely helps, and I will see you again. Have a great day. Bye bye.